Hi, I am Professor Chon Bok Kim, Provost for External Affairs at Kyounhee University at Seoul. On behalf of Kyounhee University, I would like to express our heartfelt congratulations to the Iсы Ahunbаева Kyrgyz State Medical Academy on the occasion of your 85th anniversary. This milestone is a testament to your institution's enduring legacy of excellence in medical education and research. We understand that over the past 85 years, the Kyrgyz State Medical Academy has played a pivotal role in advancing healthcare as well as in shaping the future of medicine in the Kyrgyzstan and beyond. Your unwavering commitment to nurturing talented healthcare professionals and your significant contributions to the field are truly commendable. Our big salute to all these great achievements. Together with this anniversary celebration, we also celebrate the achievements and innovations that we too have made together. We Kyounhee are particularly excited about our joint project, Jarkyn Kyrgызstan, Bright Kyrgyzstan, which focuses on the advancement of higher nursing education. This collaboration reflects our shared vision for enhancing the quality of nursing education and preparing the next generation of nursing professionals in Kyrgyzstan. We have no doubt that this initiative will foster mutual growth and innovation, making a significant impact on both our institution and on the broad healthcare community. We, Kyounhee University, highly value our partnership with the Kyrgyz State Medical Academy. We look forward to continuing our collaborations and exploring new opportunities for academic and research excellence further. Once again, congratulations on reaching this impressive milestone. We wish the Kyrgyz State Medical Academy will continue to thrive and inspire future generations of healthcare professional leaders. Thank you.